What's up, guys? I bought some soundproofing off of Amazon, and I'm going to be putting up on the wall to hopefully get rid of some echo. So I'm going to do a before and after of that to see if there's a difference, and maybe if you guys are interested in buying some, hopefully I'll be able to give you an accurate representation of what the changes will be, if there are any at all. So it's this right here. It's soundproofing. It's 29 bucks. I had a coupon that was 10, so it was 19 bucks. So I'm just like, I'll do that, see if I test it out, see if I like it, you know. So let's see how it is. Let's open it up. Oh, so we're gonna do a before and after to see what the difference is with and without it. So let's see how. Oh, they're all in their individual little packages. Oh, all right. There we go. It's the blue ones. Take them all apart. I guess I need to let them soak up. So we got 12 panels total. I'm trying to figure out where, I keep forgetting where this thing is. Right there. And I'll bring it back up on screen again. We have 12 pack soundproof foam panels. They're just 2 inches thick, 12 by 12, so they're all just a foot, square foot. Let's see if it says anything about how to let them out. Per description. I think it's less than expected. Don't worry, you can soak the foam in water for 2 to 5 minutes, then blow dry to restore to normal thickness. I think I'm just gonna use double-sided sticky tape there, but I am just testing them out. Apparently soak them in water. Alright, well, I'll get back to you guys when they fill up, or if I do soak it in water, and I'll let you know what I do. So here we go. Here's the finished. Those are a lot thicker than ones before. They're like little pieces of paper before. So we got black and blue. I'm keeping with like the black and blue design that my room's kind of going in. Not really, because I like blue, like my keyboard and stuff. Keyboard and stuff is blue and red. Same with my computer. Can't see right now, but it's blue. Table's black. Carpet's blue. Sheets are dark blue. You know, curtains are black. You know, so I just thought this would look. What I'm gonna do now is, before I put these on, I'm gonna do a test. So I'm gonna try to sit right about here. I'm gonna line up my, make it as accurate as possible. Up right there, my handles in my chair. So, and I'm gonna sit back in my chair like this, so we're the same distance away from my mic, and so we can see if there's any difference in the echoing and stuff. See if it's worth the buy. I mean, I only spent 19 bucks on them, so I won't be too disappointed. I just realized that while I'm talking to people on TeamSpeak or Discord, it's hitting my wall right here behind me and bouncing back. So I think that this will help a little bit. It's about putting them probably on the wall. I don't think I'm too worried about that side, but I might put 2 panels over there. It just depends on how much I need to put over here to try to give you guys a better view of what I'm talking about. So right there, I might put 2 against the wall. Boom, boom. The door, it's hollow, so that should be fine. But where my computer is, there's just a wall, and I'm just talking at that wall, and it's bouncing back. To the right of me, there's that curtain. So I'm assuming that's actually doing a pretty good job, because we actually do have insulation behind that. That's to keep the heat out. So, but that's, in my opinion, doing a pretty good job when I talk that direction. But I'm just trying to get rid of as much as I possibly can. So catch you when that happens. Alright, so what I decided to do is I got some Velcro from Home Depot right there, if you want to look at it. And I put it on the back of this, and it's on there. So it's just, I just push down on it. It's stuck on there right now. If I take it off, it'll probably rip the back of it, but I have a feeling it'll be fine. So I'll catch you guys when I finish that to be able to give you guys the before and after take. And it's on. It's on. I decided not to put it against the wall over there because I feel like that's a little too far, and I do have stuff in the way of that. And I planned on putting a poster there, now that I was thinking about it. So I did just put it behind my computer, and I'm going to move my camera right now to be able to show you guys that. So that's how I set it up. I put it a little farther over on the left side because my mic is sitting right there facing that direction, so hopefully we'll be able to stop some of that bounce back. And I'll be showing you guys the before and after in just a second so we can figure out if it's actually made a difference or not and if it's worth the buy. Alright, I'm just going to be reading you guys one of my favorite books or novels that I'm reading, Reincarnation of the Strongest Sword God. And it's just going to read a couple paragraphs in. Not too long. In the dead of night at Green Bamboo upper class area Jinhai City, Shifeng held a folder of documents as he sat silently on the leather sofa. Gazing at the pool outside through the French window, Shifeng was filled with both frustration and unwillingness. Alright, it's lined up. So let me just make sure that we're in the right position, sitting up straight. Let's get on with it. In the dead of night at Green Bamboo upper class area Jinhai City, Shifeng held a folder of documents as he sat silently on the leather sofa, gazing at the pool outside through the French window. Shifeng was filled with both frustration and unwillingness. Alright, well, I personally think that it's a little bit better because I was walking around my room, going against my wall, just staring at the wall, just making different sounds at it and doing the same thing in front of the foam. And I can 100% tell the difference when I do that. I don't know how big the difference is on the mic, but it might not be anything. I think it's a little bit better, but that's just me. I put it up. I put the effort into getting it, buying it, and everything. So it could just be that thing. It's like, oh, I think it is, so it is. So tell me in the comments what you think, if there is a difference. And if you do get it and try it out for yourselves, tell me if it actually works out for you as well.